Hello and welcome to my channel Trading Skills. So today I'm going to show you how can we predict the next candlestick by using the candlestick psychology. Okay, so here in this video I will take almost 10 to 20 trades, but I will pause my video because this video will be of only 10 minutes. So I will pause the video and I will only show you the last 15 to 20 seconds. So be with me and try to learn what I'm trying to do in the market. So let's start trading. Okay, so here I have taken my trade in a down direction. Why? Because you can see here from this point the market can go down, and now the candle is not a perfect candle to go with the buyer, so therefore I took my trade, and let's see what happens here. Okay, let's hope for the best, and the candle will definitely close below our entry point, or we will get an ATM. So here again I can go here with the sellers. Why? Because you can see here this candle closed exactly at the seller's area, so therefore we can expect a seller's entry here. Now you can see market is coming down, so let's hope for the best, and this is my second trade. So I told you I will take so many trades. Okay, so now you can see I won my trade here now. Okay, so here I have taken my trade in a down direction, and now you can see market is getting such a big rejection with the level which I have drawn here, because this candle is not a pricing pattern. It is a pricing pattern, but it will not work here. It will not work here because the market is a ranging market. So the next candle will definitely go down and will close below my entry point. So this is my third trade, and I will show you my trading history at the end of the video. Okay, so I will take my trade, okay, with $50. Okay, so now you can see I've taken my trade in an up direction. Why? So now you can see here from this point, from this area, we are seeing a strong buyer's entry, so therefore I took my trade in an up direction, and we will win this trade for sure. Market will get a rejection and it will go up. Now you can see market is going up, coming down, going up, coming down, but it will close as a bullish. Okay, so I won my trade here also. Okay, so I have taken my trade with this candlestick in an up direction. So now let's hope for the best, and we will win this trade also here. So this is my fifth trade in a row, and we will win this trade also for sure. So now let's see what happens here. Why I took my trade here? Because the trend is a uptrend and this is a retracement candle. So from this point we will go in an up direction, so we will definitely win our trade. Okay, so I won my trade here. Now you can see I'm in good profit right now. Okay, so I took my sixth trade here with a seller's entry. Why? Because you can see here this is a seller's area, but market will go up and it will get a rejection, and it will come down and will close below our entry point for sure, and it will close as a bearish candlestick here. So there is no chance for this candle to go up from our entry point, so it will definitely come down again. You will see. Okay, a very big trade. And okay, so I lost my trade. Okay, so I took my trade with this strong candle because this candle is not having any kind of rejection in it, so it will go up, and the market movement is like this, so it will go up for sure. There is not a single chance for this candle to close as a bearish candle. It will go up. Okay, now you can see market is pushing the candle in up direction, so we will win this trade here. Okay, so I will take another trade. So again here I have taken my trade in an up direction. Why? Because you can see here this is an engulfing pattern, but it is not making any kind of new low, so therefore I am not going with the sellers. So I am taking my trade in an up direction, and we will win this trade here for sure. Now you can see this is my 7th trade almost, and okay, so I won my trade. I only lost one trade here. Okay, so here you can see I took my trade with this strong candle. Why? Because you can see on the left side I'm seeing a strong seller's entry, and now I can expect a seller's entry here. And you know, always the strong candle is a sign of reversal, so the next candle will close definitely below our entry point. It will get a rejection, it will come down, and it will close as a bearish. So this will be my last trade, and I will discontinue my trading here. Okay, so here again I took my trade in an up direction. Why? Because this candle is such a big candle. This candle is such a big candle, and it is a sign of reversal, and I want to show you here on the left side I'm seeing a strong buyer's activity in this area, so therefore I took my trade here, and we will win this trade for sure. Let's see what happens here. Okay, let's hope for the best. Sellers are pushing the market in a down direction, and buyers are trying to move them up. So now you can see confusion here, but margin of safety is the best thing, and here buyers won the battle. Okay, so here I have taken my trade in a down direction, and you will see we will definitely win our trade here. Okay, let's see. And now you can see, although market will give us a red candlestick, but from this point to this point market jumped in an up direction. So because of this gap, sometimes we lost our trades, and sometimes market tried to jump up and it wants to go up in an up direction, but because of the margin of safety I took my trades, so we will definitely win our trades here. Okay, so now let's hope for the best. Okay, so I won my trade here. Okay, so again this will be my last trade, and I took my trade, but I am late here. I took my trade with this reversal candlestick, so let's hope for the best. Candle has to close as a bearish, but if it closes as a bullish, it will be a big loss for me. Okay, so sorry, I lost my trade here. It happens sometime in the market. Okay, so I took my trade with this candle in an up direction because this is a strong candle and it made a new high, so it will work as a sign of continuation here. So I took my trade, and let's hope for the best. So I will recover my loss here. Okay, I will definitely recover my loss here of last trade. So if you like my video, kindly share, subscribe and comment. And I want to show you my trading history which I took right now. Now you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 trades, and out